grind is supposed to suck. That's the truth no one tells you. It's not glamorous, it's not fun. It's waking up when the world is still asleep. It's showing up even when nobody's watching. It's lifting the weights your body says it can't, repeating the same tasks every day with zero applause. It's failing, again and again, but showing up, again and again. You won't always be motivated. You'll want to quit. Your mind will scream, "Why are you even doing this?" And that's when it really begins. Because that voice, the one that tells you to give up, that voice is a liar. The grind is meant to strip away comfort, to break you, so you can rebuild yourself into someone stronger. Every drop of sweat, every sore muscle, every silent day with no results, it's all part of the test. Most people tap out. They chase hacks, shortcuts, easy wins. But the real ones, they embrace the suck. They find beauty in the pain because they know pressure creates diamonds. One day it won't suck anymore. One day you'll look back and realize the pain was the point. The late nights, the early mornings, the failures. That's what made you unbreakable. So don't wait for it to get easy. It won't. Get up anyway, grind anyway, because the suck is where greatness is born. If this message hits you, then maybe it's time to stop waiting and start becoming.